Buenos dias. Good morning. Clarke TV, family and friends. This is my neighbor premises. The pipe here leaking. The man them recently scrape off the house top and I hear them show the things now. The debris them 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks to be exact. This is the right at this location. I'm recently fixed the pipe right out the front here, and it's like them show the debris upon it and kind of open out back everything. So this is how the place look. And all of them water here for waste. You know much people in our country don't like to have this much water at them premises. You see it there? And it run alongside my premises. So you know what me I gonna do? Today, me I gonna make some effort to try to see if me can able to reach to the bottom of this thing in terms of try fix it and everything still without their approval. But here what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you first how everything be, how it all happened in terms of the debris. So I'm going to have a clear idea upon it still. Okay people, I just show you how everything start, right? This are over the next door house. This is some work with them do upon the place. Jaja, go climb down upon this place so you know enough to make on see what me and talk about. Right? Them did have some tar and thing to the side of the premises there. If you notice, you see the block for try to prevent the leak, right? See the man them leave all the whole of the cement partially mixed with sand and gravel. Same way on the house top. Remember say me tell you near 2.5 weeks now me I tell you about it now. Right? See there? Right? Me have to go just try climb down and make you have a clearer view of how some of them trade money work as well. So you want to stay tuned and just hope so I can jump down off of this height here without no stress. Okay? Okay people, see the zone I tell you about here. This is the area where they dug off all of the waste material where you see downstairs, the gravel, the tar and them things. Remember, me recently painted here, so, but that me not really face that still. When me just have shown you how the tradesman them work. You get me? That's why even when you pay them the money where them ask you, this are them finished product. Right? Them have to go cover this with some matten or some non-leaking material again. I want you to look on the concrete. May I give a close up on the video? This is how the concrete look. Where then recently completed. You see the whole heap of cracks there. Clearly what it tell me said the thing will mix all that properly. The mixture I know it best, right? Because them cracker wouldn't be there already. You can't look on it. Right? See? All of them places crack up so far. Because normally in this community where all the ground stay at this place here are clay make out are clay. The most of the place consists of clay. And you know the earthquake and the clay, all the things stay. So you see, every time where if the sun too, if the place too hot and rain go ending up fall, it's ending up crack up the giants them and the houses them and everything. Because you have some whole heap of flower with the Matalan houses them where people can get up and tell you, if them for tell about it you wouldn't believe, right? So you have some whole heap of problem with them houses there. Knowing say type of surface well in material with clay and them thing the way built on. So if the time, as I tell you, so when the time hot, them the place eventually crack up, and when the rain fall, a peel leak. And on top of that, the earthquake, cause you know we're up on the earthquake belt. So me I make have a clear view how it come about in terms of with where the debris they down upon the flat. So just stay tuned people. Me I try make my way up back on the place. And just look on the quality work where these man take the people their money, right? And incomplete the job. And then go to get paid and want pay for it again in order to do this all over. So stay tuned. Yeah, me I go back out on the place here. I just want to know have a wonderful coverage of how these things happen in the brother. Alright? So me have a show now. Right? See how far the water go? See it there? Protrude further. So I look bad for me because then see me there in a water system and these things happen near me. But me I do good feel good at the good still. See me? So I don't see where the debris they know. But you know, me no like work in an environment when not clean. So you know what me I go do? Me I go take up all of them debris before. Right? Me I go try see me can full out some of them potholes there. Them one that they further up here so from my premises. So you know what me I go do? Me I go target them one here so first. Right? So make us see it work out. I mean I go show you one look at old barrow me have. Me don't know if it can manage still, but you know what me I go do? Me I go just go and clean up the rubbish first. Okay? So stay tuned people.
You're gonna fix a pipe.
I don't mind pipe, brother.
Huh?
I don't mind pipe.
Alright.
Yes, my boss. Yeah. Work on the place and the place not to separate. I go wash my hand, you know, so just I go and go through and do it. And when I finish take up them debris here, when I go work on me, I go work on the pipe. So stay tuned. So I just wash up your hand clean. People, trust me, we have to just improvise and do the best thing what we have to do still. See? So people remember me that telling about that barrier over there. How the sun destroy it. What me I go do, me I go just see what can happen with it. And just say we can start do some work. Okay? So we are gonna get going. People, so the barrier here. I carry it down. I couldn't make you see. Oh, me I carry it down because I need to laugh me to scan and right now I know I laughing thing. I work me I go deal with. You get me? But the barrel is here. I can see if it fits enough, I can move them debris there. So remember to subscribe to Clarke TV, like, share, tell your friends and family about it, how wonderful that channel will be. And thank you to all our people who are support to Clarke TV. You know, stop saying them something there. You see me? God, the barrier wicked for carry down, you know. Like this, take my breath away. It's like a love. People, just stay tuned because I mean, I telling you so. I look a story about the shovel them. The shovel here, I know my shovel. Every time I buy a shovel and put over there so to use, and the rubbish truck come, the shovel gone. 4 shovel now disappear. So me just share these things with you. So when you're in the home, especially when living in a scheme, don't leave nothing important outside. All things want to need for deal. Don't leave it outside. Ah, them money. Them rubbish money. They're not normal, brother. I mean, I say a word to them, you know, me just allow them because I go catch them one of them there. Because them say camera help prove some points, so I go put them things there in place. Big Head, come in. So people, as I say, continue big up on yourself. Thank you. All our people, them just thank you the same way to support Clarke TV. You get me? See you them there. Me I send out most of them on some trials today. See? See the one bigger there. I come over the camera, make me go and take up the thing. When you say you get big, all in head still big. Yeah, man. Alright, stay tuned. Big Head. No, man, no problem, man. No problem.
How's daddy working?
You see it?
Yeah.
Hey, Big Head. Come look yourself at the barrel. Bend down and look there. People, when you think this is going to work out, make you sit up. You know, I'm going to take off my slippers. Big Head, can't carry too much in a barrel. Barrel people. people, you see what happened? The things start get hard up already. Now pack up the barrel too much because we want to see if it can last so. Okay people, so stay tuned.
Stabby.
Switch for me there so far. Get me? So I'm just going to set it up. Load them. And then I spread them out. Yeah, I just put them in a hole them and then I kind of spread them out still. Trust me, you have to go look if you see somebody can help me to this still. But so far, in my mind I treat it as I exercise, so I go get it done. Alright, so I just a hole I left to full out. So I just go back down on the stretcher further down so the rest can show. See all of them youth they see out this morning, they might go up on a trials as well. 2 gone already. Because you have to market the youth them same way. And market the Clarke TV brand in a football or soccer. Them know so we think the normal brother. See? So the big chef the bigs come late as usual. Him and him little dog. See the people. So just stay tuned. Go and continue putting in the work for the betterment of good. Yeah, people. I make sure I spread them out first. Go first thing first. I want to finish up here first. And then we go to our next site because I'm gonna laugh off of me, you know, because I don't know, so with this up here, you know, so wonderful. With the shovel up, but see me here. I spread them out, because I don't want the police them come out and believe say I hustle me, I hustle. So I spread them out from early. I can't hear a dog in my back off. You don't know say your dog a bad dog.
I cannot know.
And when you do this, you have to make sure it's no nail no in it. You have to punch on the body tire so. I sort out them something there as well. I have to pop this. Pop this like a pit.
So bola with every rainfall, how you prevent from patch out?
I think that's a wonderful question you asked me.
Yes.
But you know, Wrong person you ask.
Alright, boss.
I don't want to get political in a me. A parish councillor is. Because I feel the responsibility for that. Hey, you don't know what it's big. I think that's the one next.
Yeah, if we go right this way.
So stay tuned, people. Yeah, people. Me I go to the next side I know. I see how well we can start. So further up there, so big one egg go look on the things.
Show them a
When you see that
preview.
big piece here, look, when you see that big piece here, me I carry it first because it's not assured to the barrel going to survive. So
That's how I walk with.
you see it always in my video, a dog always in my video. So just make sure. Watch it, big speech of the dog, brother. The dog always there in the video, brother.
Yeah. Alright, so people see it here before.
Yeah, me I start over on the side of this.
Up on the side.
Yeah. This is how it looked before. So me I go just drop this here so first. So you know, so me I pack from here so. I'm going. You want to cover this if you want. People, this is the condition of the road where improper fixing of the road. This is how it is. I mean, no community have the same type of problem, but us see we do, we are make our contribution, okay? Because you what, to be honest with you, our government responsibility and the parish council to ensure that the road is fixed. But you see me never really pressure that. Even though I drive, I try, knowing so I get some opportunity with some stuff, I just full out, okay, and full out, so everybody can drive a little bit more comfortable. But I know our responsibility, you get me? So if you know that somewhere I have some spear mall or some whole heap of dirt the one side, and you can do the same thing to brother, come out and just treat it as an exercise, and I hate that. I want to see the stash I go down, you see? So far so good. Because you know, I have to tip them up like this. And place them.
It's like coming like a puzzle.
Yeah. People wanna see it? And a normal exercise there, but I can't tell you something about me. It all done.
So, but when you put this in a road, when sun catch it, it stick on the road.
You know, whatever warm to it when the atmosphere catch it. Me not pressure it.
It just make it happen.
Make it up, brother. Because I go on like say we are some expert in these things after I road in them condition here. The deplorable condition, brother. Alright, Biggs, me a move again. Spread them. Boy, Nicole. Right place. Respect my boy. People are my star ball and that, you know that. Morning, my boss. Respect. Yeah, go up again. People, I just want to know have an idea, a poor workmanship. You get me? And a cure you try. To get the best workmen in terms of to do your construction, and them a problem you have to have same way. Right? Hey people, when we go that road, difficult for walk with the barefoot still in the boat there. The foot water water.
And the fire.
Foot water water pressure, brother. Trust me.
The walk motor when do it.
But why I still can't do this at my age. I told a little half hour walk in their nest. Yeah, foot water.
So much percent African?
80% African, you know.
And what percent every other country?
Yeah, most Jamaican is like that, but then don't know still. Then check their history. Most of them are some slave master, children of them, then grandparents. But then I want to believe that. And me I come from a new tribe. Hear the tribe where me I come from. My mother and father brown. And I come out with this a beautiful complexion there. Zoom him in.
Come on, man. Come.
That man is a water commission man.
Come.
And you see where him there? And he right beside in yard. Look, me a fix the road. And he not gonna help me all low. You see him still? Okay. People, you see the uncut piece here? Trust me, Never normal to take it out.
Heavier than a cement bag
Alright.
when it full. Very nice.
Jaja. No higher. This is something. Alright. I have a brilliant idea how we are going to get it out. Watch it.
Easy does it.
Yeah, yes, brother. Use up the brain power.
Yeah.
That's a luck, you know.
You look. You see Mr. Clarke, when the car then go up and it come like a roller,
Yeah.
just press it down more.
When we finish this, I want something strong and large to drink. A quarter NWC water, the best water in the world.
I'll pay you for that one then.
Okay, for real. Put this.
So see it here now, people. It's like Mount Everest now. It's a flat pavement.
People, little by little we are get to the source of the leak. So we are going to repair as well.
See to know people, when they want heavy load, you know.
Yeah, because over the side there, kind of more deeper, so me so I can go. This is supposed to be the final
Lap.
lap, so let's fix it. No man, me have a, yeah, see if I can find the locker and turn it. People, my neighbor, Miss Beba, help me find the lock off the third off the pipe, so we have to work on the pipes.
Can I put that up on the video?
All these screw in the can, these screw. Make sure you the final chapter is taking up the debris them, so but stay tuned. We are going to the next chapter. So just remember to subscribe to Clarke TV, share with your family and friends. Okay? Bless up.